Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today's topic is designing classroom language tests. Uh, in this topic, we'll discuss the process of designing tests or revising existing tests. Test is a part of teaching learning process. And when during a teaching activity we have to design some test, some questions arise in our mind. For example, how to design classroom test, what for, why are we going to design a test, what will be the purpose of this test, what are the objectives of this test, what sort of items we'll include in this test, what sort of scoring or grading system we'll adopt, what type of feedback is expected in this test. To start the process of designing a test, you need to ask some critical questions. For example, what is the purpose of the test? What are the objectives of the test? How will the test specifications reflect both the purpose and the objectives? How will the test tasks be selected and the separate items arranged? What kind of scoring, grading, and or feedback expected? When you focus the purpose of the test, you must ask some questions to yourself. For example, why am I creating this test? Or why was it created by someone else? What is its significance relative to your course? For example, are you going to evaluate overall proficiency? Or you want to place students into a course? Or you want to measure achievement within a course? How important is the test compared to other students' performance? What will be its impact on you and your students before and after the assessment? Once you have established the major purpose of a test, you can determine its objectives. When you focus the objectives of the test, you must ask yourself, what specifically am I trying to find out? Establishing appropriate objectives involves a number of issues, ranging from relatively simple ones about forms and functions covered in a course unit to much more complex ones about constructs to be operationalized in the test. Included here are decisions about what language abilities are to be assessed. The third question is, how will the test specifications reflect both the purpose and the objectives? So to evaluate or design a test, you must make sure that the objectives are incorporated into a structure that appropriately weights the various competencies being assessed. The fourth question is, how will the test tasks be selected and the separate items arranged? So here you have to be concerned about the selection and arrangement of tasks. So the test tasks need to be practical. They should also achieve content validity by presenting tasks that mirror those of the course or segment thereof being assessed. They should be authentic. The tasks themselves should strive for authenticity, and the progression of tasks are to be biased for best performance. Further, they should be able to be evaluated reliably by the teacher or scorer. The fifth question is, what kind of scoring, grading, and or feedback is expected? Tests vary in the form and function of feedback depending on their purpose. For every test, the way results are reported is an important consideration. Because under some circumstances, a letter grade or a holistic score may be appropriate, while in other circumstances, they may require that a teacher offers substantive washback to the learner. So these 5 questions should form the basis of your approach to designing tests for your classroom.